Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the third tutorial of the channel. Fuck. Yeah, okay.
No, you fuck, bro.
Okay, shut up. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the fourth tutorial of the channel. This is gonna be a shake tutorial. And you're gonna learn how to go from this, your base clip, to this. Okay, so first of all, what you wanna do is you add a adjustment layer. You wanna split it in the middle where the beat drop is. Let's say it's here for me. Then you add dissolve shake. You change the dissolve percent to 25. You keyframe the amplitude. You put the frequency down to like 6. You can change this later still, so you see if you like it or not. You turn off motion blur. And then you go down here to shake Y, shake Z, and shake X. You can play around with these settings until you like it, or like what suits your clip better. I don't know, I'm just gonna change to something random. Okay, let's say like this. Then you click U while your adjustment layer is selected, so the keyframe show up. And then you go towards the end, keyframe it, and you put it to 0, the amplitude. Then you hover over both of the keyframes and add some kind of graph like this. This is also adjustable however you want to make it look better. So now it should look something like this. You can still change it if you want, but now we need a build up also. You can just copy the same shake that you made for the main shake. You hover over the keyframes again, right click on one of them, keyframe assistant, time reverse keyframes. Then you drag it so it's same as before, so it's like fits the clip. It should look something like this. Then you add like blur and stuff, impact frames. It should look something like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.